Good morning. This is Terry Coatney, Coldwell Banker Realty in Parkersburg and Vienna, West Virginia, and also office located in Marietta, Ohio. Over the last few videos, we've been talking about the home inspection process and how important it is and all the different nuts and bolts associated with that. Now, how does that tie into the real estate contract? Well, if you check that box for a home inspector, if you're a buyer or a seller, then as a buyer, you have the right then to take that home inspection, send it to the seller, and say, hey, I'd like to have these things addressed and fixed. The contract then says that the seller has the right to say, I'll fix all those things. Or he has the right to say, no, I'm not fixing them. Its property is as is. So then that gives the buyer the right then to say, okay, I'll take the property, or he could say, okay, I'm going to walk away from this contract. So you can see why the home inspection is such an important part, especially if the home inspector found some very serious or safety issues associated with the house, then that's why it's all written the way it is. So if you have any questions about the home inspection process and how it ties into the real estate contract, if you're a buyer or a seller, just give me a call and we'll address all those when you contact me. Hope you're having a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.